As the US Department of Justice's asset forfeiture suit against 1MDB marches on, it puts Oscar-winning actor Leonardo DiCaprio's charity under an uncomfortable spotlight. The Hollywood Reporter writes that according to the DOJ, certain donations to DiCaprio's charity came directly from 1MDB funds. While THR says it wasn't clear that the DOJ would try to seize any 1MDB-linked assets from the charity, it learned that charities are not off limits in such asset seizure cases. It should be pointed out that DiCaprio was neither targeted or named in the DOJ suit, which instead referred to Hollywood actor 1. THR writes that the scandal shines an unfamiliar light on the charitable foundation of the most powerful actor in Hollywood, thanks to the way it has benefited directly from DiCaprio's relationship with key figures in the saga. Those key figures being Low-Tech Joe and other executives associated with Red Granite Pictures. The donations themselves allegedly range from a marked-up champagne fight to various pieces of art. Aluminium Co of Malaysia Berhad or Alcom has received a takeover offer from Pak Senja Berhad at 61 cents per share for a total of 47.7 million ringgit. The ultimate offerer is Yo Jin Ho, who is Pak's director and controlling shareholder. Yo is also the MD of Kian Jukan Factory Berhad and Box-Pak M Berhad and is also a director and major shareholder of Canwan Berhad. Pak has signed a sales and purchase agreement with Novelis Inc. for a 59.16% stake in Alcom, which then triggered a mandatory takeover offer. Advising Pak for the deal is AM Investment Bank Berhad. According to AM Investment, Yo's planned acquisition of Alcom would allow him to venture into manufacturing and trading of products including aluminium sheet and foil. The stock closed at 74 cents. Datuk Wira Dani Abdul Daim, son of Malaysia's former Finance Minister Tun Daim Zainuddin, was made bankrupt last week over some 1.65 million Singapore dollars owed to Maybank Kim Eng Securities. According to a filing with the Singapore Stock Exchange, Wira Dani has stepped down as non-independent and non-executive director of Aluminium Coal, which indicates that he intends to settle personal affairs within the next 30 days following the court bankruptcy order. The money was said to have been borrowed by him to buy Lion Gold shares. Remember that in 2013, shares in Lion Gold, Blue Mon Group and Asia Sun's Capital had fallen off a cliff, wiping out 6.9 billion Singapore dollars of market value in 3 days, which eventually led to an official probe on suspected irregularities. Wira Dani has agreed to pay back the bank in installments, but thus far, Maybank has only received about 835,950 Singapore dollars, leaving a shortfall of $1.65 million, which triggered the bankruptcy move. National Courier Post Malaysia Berhad is looking to monetize its land bank assets, so says Group Chief Datuk Muhammad Shukri Muhammad Saleh. He says that the plans are still at the earliest stages of development. Muhammad Shukri says that this exercise would include its properties and land, some of which are just sitting idle. According to Post's latest annual report, the group owns land parcels in Kinta Perak totaling 13,801 square meters with a net book value of 13.86 million ringgit. Muhammad Shukri says that Post has seen its courier service volume grow double digits due to booming e-commerce. However, for FY16, the group saw its net profit halve to 63.1 million, even as revenue rose due to lower profits from mail and retail, due partly to higher transportation costs. Government-linked PE firm Equity National Berhad or Ekuinas has exited the cosmetics biz, following the disposal of its 20% stake in Alliance Cosmetics Group to Navis Capital Partners for 61.8 million ringgit. Alliance Cosmetics, which is best known for its mass-market Silkygirl brand, had been Equinas's maiden investment that it undertook with Navis in 2010, where it ponied up 39.9 million for the stake. According to Equinas's CEO, Syed Yasir Arafat Syed Abdul Kadir, the divestment was in line with the fund's move to crystallize its investments under Equinas Direct Tranche 1. He says that the sale marks Equinas's sixth divestment, which brings the company's total realization proceeds to more than 1 billion ringgit, including the partial divestment of Icon Offshore after nearly 7 years in operations. Equinas is looking to close Tranche 1 by end 2017.